Grok-4 is now live on GPT Rush. So I vibe coded a Grok clone using Grok-4 with a slight meme twist. So Grok 4 is kind of slow compared to Gemini 2.5 Pro or a few other LLM models, but hopefully like it creates the UI perfectly. Let's see how good it is in building front ends. Okay, it's actually much terrible. I did not expect this from Grok. Let's try one more prompt to see if we can make it exactly like Grok chat. So we are going for a design to look something like this. And I have already added the prompt required to clone the Grok UI actually. So let's see. Okay, not bad. So it has added the drop down and the send button inside the input box. Previously the UI was looking something like this. So compared to that, this is much better. But the real test is on how the chat window will look like. Let's check it out. Not looking like a chat window, but just the responses being there. Let's see if we could fix that actually. So I have added the prompt to add a chat like UI. Let's see. Okay. Now it has added the input box fully at the bottom. I had asked it to add it only after the user input, but anyway, let's see if the UI is looking like a chat window. Yeah, at least so far, at least that is achieved. And even the background is looking a little bit like a Grok's background that we added. So we just have to make sure the chat input is initially at the center and then moves down to the bottom. One last prompt for polishing the UI. It is messing things up actually. God, I wish this would have been the last prompt. Let's try really one last prompt now. Let's go. And for record, this is how vibe coding feels like. Still sucks. So yeah, after a couple of attempts, I was able to bring the UI to a good shape. And that's it for today. See you in the next video.